How to earn money from Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn money from Canva. Well, there are a lot of ways and I'm going to show a few of them today. Of course, Canva is a free photo and editing tool and you can use that to make your own money. One way you can do that is by becoming a Canva contributor. You can upload your photos, stickers, videos and graphics to Canva and earn money every time users use your item when they design in Canva. How does it work? As you can see here, you need to sign up. You can upload your work and you can start earning every time the user uses your item. Another way is becoming a Canva creator. One of the simplest ways to generate passive income using Canva is by selling Canva templates online. You can create various designs and sell templates to earn up to $100 a day. How you want to do that? You just want to click on Become a Creator. Here you can choose whatever you want to create, so templates, elements, or education resources. Say templates, click on Apply. And here you want to fill in all the information and then you can apply. As you can see, you need to share your URL to your work in order to become a creator. A third way to make money with Canva is to design and sell printables. You can design and sell printables and other digital products you can just make here on Canva. Once you've made them on Canva, you can sell them on Etsy. Let's say, for example, you want to make a digital planner. As you can see here, they are selling digital planners for just a few dollars per planner, and you can create that using Canva. And you can just create and sell digital products like ebooks, workbooks, courses. Let's say, for example, you want to create a print-on-demand business. Let's say you want to make wedding cards. As you can see here, the templates are really simple and they're being sold for almost $4. Almost 7,000 orders are made. You can just use Canva to create it. Let's say we want to create a wedding card. You can go to just say logo and just use the template Canva uses. So let's search for wedding cards. And here you can find all kinds of templates you can use. Say this one, and you can just alter it the way you want to. List it on Etsy and just wait for the sale. Another way you can earn money from Canva is to offer your services on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. There are businesses, entrepreneurs looking for your service, so you can sell your service on Fiverr. Let's say, for example, you want to make YouTube thumbnails. As you can see here, people are offering to create thumbnails from $5, $10, $20 even. And you can just use Canva to create thumbnails. I am going to show you how you can do that. Just want to go to the homepage of Canva, click on Create a Design and just select YouTube thumbnail. And again, there are hundreds of templates you can use depending on the topic. And you can just, let's say, want to select something about healthy lifestyle. And here you've got an example of a thumbnail and you can edit it. And once you've edited it, you can sell it on Fiverr, for example. The same goes for Upwork. You can just search for, let's say we use YouTube thumbnails again here. And here, for example, someone's asking $25 an hour by just making thumbnails. So there are also businesses looking to make a logo, for example. So you can see on logo design. And as you can see here, people are offering their services to make logos, asking $25 an hour. And you can just use Canva to create those logos yourself. Just type in logo. And again, you've got so many templates you can use. Just create, alter it, download it. You can sell it on Upwork or Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.